Good morning to all my awesome friends and family. I am joining in with This and That with Denise Jordan, an awesome channel. And this is a channel that you're going to really love. Great content of gardening, cooking, and organizational skills. Please go check out her channel if you're not already following her. This is a challenge to put a container garden together today. And I had so much fun doing this. Please go join in and see what everyone came up with. Please check that playlist out and see all the beautiful container gardens. This is the one that Grandma did. I hope you enjoy it. As you can see, I did the Topsy-Turvy flower pots on top of each other. Believe it or not, all these pots were pots I already had in my garden. I did not spend any money for any of these pots. And I planted a lot of plants and succulents to cover these pots up with. And to have something special for the 4th of July, I added some beautiful 4th of July fairy wings in this display. And I have 3 great-granddaughters, and I think those great-granddaughters are going to have some great 4th of July fairy wings to play with. What do you think? Of course, the area behind it still needs to get fixed up. I have planted sunflowers in here, but they haven't grown up yet. I'll be giving you some updates about this part of the yard here in the next couple of weeks. So please come back and watch the updates and watch my sunflowers grow up. I can't wait to see what this is going to look like once the sunflowers have got 4 to 5 inches tall, 4 to 5 feet tall. What am I saying? And how beautiful this display is going to look. I was so happy how this turned out. My grandkids couldn't believe that me and my girlfriend put this together. Oh, I had so much fun. Thank you, Denise, for inviting me to join in on this challenge. This yard looked terrible. I will have a video up tomorrow to show you how I put this together. So please tune in tomorrow and see the updated video. It will show you from the very beginning how bad this area looked until it started looking like this. Believe it or not, this area even looks better now. But I took these pictures about a week ago, and it's amazing how much a garden can change in 1 week. I'll probably do an update of this area probably in another 3 weeks because I want my sunflowers to get where I can see them. Right now they're about a foot tall, so they're getting taller every minute. Well, I hope you enjoyed seeing what I came up with. And adding those butterfly wings to my fairy garden looked beautiful. I couldn't believe how nice everything turned out. Please leave me a comment what you think. Keep in mind, this area is even going to look better in another 3 or 4 weeks. As soon as those sunflowers get tall enough where you can see them, it will be gorgeous. Probably going to get in here and do some more planting also here in the next few weeks. But you know, we can only do so much at any given time, and Grandma's getting older by the minute, as I'm always saying. Hope you enjoy it, and as you see, I'm starting to get some of my fairy gardens placed in here that I've put together. But since I've done these pictures, I have added a lot more fairy gardens, and so there will be another update of this area probably next week, because I want you to see how beautiful everything is coming along. And as you see in the back, there is some metal structures that are empty, but they really do have flowers in there. They're just not tall enough for you to see yet. So this whole area will be gorgeous, probably in another 3 or 4 weeks. Can't wait to show it with you. I am very happy how it's turning out, and I probably am going to leave it like this from now on because it just looks beautiful. I love it because you can be on the patio and sit there and watch it, and my husband really enjoys it too. So this is my new area in my backyard, and I'm so happy how it turned out. Let me know what you think. Thank you, Denise, so much for inviting me into this challenge. Please, all of you, go over and check the playlist and see what other fabulous things my awesome friends have put together. You know I love gardening. Not good at it, but I love it. And I just wanted to share what my Topsy-Turvy container display turned out like. It will even be better. The plants are filling out every day, and you're not going to believe how it looked when I started. Like I said, there'll be a video up tomorrow how to put this together, and I will show another video the next day after that, what it looked like after a week or so. So you will see the progress this made. It did not look like this when I started. It just needed a little time and a little love, and look how beautiful everything looks. Hugs and kisses to all my awesome friends for stopping by. Thank you for all the love and support you always show. Keep in mind, we'll have updates of this area probably once a week or every other week, because I want you to see how beautiful that back fence area is going to look once it all grows up and looks beautiful and all the beautiful flowers start flowering. It is going to be awesome. Well, I just keep talking, keep watching the video and seeing what else I have to share. Like I said, lots of beautiful fairy gardens coming your way. Kisses and hugs to all my awesome friends that have been so loyal and so kind and watching all my videos on my fairy garden. Really appreciate it. Hugs and kisses to all of you. Please take care. And hope you check out the playlist. I know it'll be awesome. I can't wait to see what Denise Jordan came up on her video for this challenge. I'm sure it will be awesome.